So my name is Tony. I'm a second year engineering student at the University of British Columbia, and I'm majoring in engineering physics.
My name is Mihaela. I'm one of the co-captains for UBC Orbit, and I'm a third-year mechanical engineering student as well.
How do you feel about today's session for your presentation?
I think it went pretty well. Thank you all for coming out. We got to share a lot of the cool things that our design team has been up to.
Yeah, we really appreciated the invitation here. Everyone asked really insightful questions at the end, which we really appreciated, and it always makes us happy to talk about our project and share our passions and get other people excited about aerospace work.
Do you guys usually do a lot of presentations like this around high schools or around public places?
We don't do a ton of them. I think we end up at about one high school a year, just between UBC and SFU, so not super often. So we do definitely appreciate the invite, and it's something we'd like to do more often.
What kind of students do you think Lab will want to join your club?
I think really just anyone who's passionate about what they do. I think in my opinion, it doesn't even matter if you're really into satellites or not. If you have something like electrical systems or software that you're really interested in, we do have all those roles on our satellites. So it's as long as you have something interested in.
Yeah, our team is composed of about 75% engineering students that usually are in engineering, physics, mechanical engineering, and computer engineering, with a couple outliers in other majors. And then we have a lot of astrophysics and computer science students as well. But we're open to everyone, and as long as someone is passionate and wants to push themselves to learn as much as they can, we welcome them onto the team.
Do you guys have any comments about today's presentation? No?
No
All
specific comments. Just thank you for having us out one more time. We really appreciate being here.
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, what's your name and what grade are you in?
Hi, my name is Sophie Kucherenko and I'm from grade 12.
Did this event make you more interested in this whole path?
Yes, this event is so interesting and exciting that it really made me interested in researching other UBC clubs and exploring the opportunity of joining the clubs that provide hands-on experience in various different fields of engineering and bioscience.
Thank you so much. Hi, what's your name and what grade are you in?
Okay, so hello, my name is Sepper. I'm grade 9.
Okay, Sepper. I'm gonna ask you about today's event. Would you come to another event like this?
Yeah, of course. It was a really good event. I learned many things about ALEASAT. It was really interesting to me, and I'd like to learn many things about it in the future.
I'm glad you enjoyed.
Thank you.
Hi, who am I here with? What's your name and what grade are you in?
Hi, my name is Ilya. I'm from grade 12.
Okay, I was gonna ask you about today's event. How would you rate today's event out of 10?
So I would rate the event 10 out of 10. It was a wonderful experience. It was really interesting to listen how Student Wet Club building satellites that being sent out of space. That's really interesting, and that's a very nice opportunity to hear.
Why do you rate it a 10 out of 10?
Because it's quite a unique experience to meet the people who designing in such a field of engineering, specifically aerospace, and it gave some insights that was very informative and I learned something new stuff.
Thank you. Hello, what's your name and what grade are you in?
My name is Veronica and I'm currently in grade 8.
I'm gonna ask you about today's event. What's something that you learned that surprised you a lot? One interesting fact.
So there were a lot of really interesting facts that I learned, but something that I remembered in particular was that certain types of metal could fuse when exposed to a place with no atmosphere, and that's something I really didn't know before.
That's a very interesting fact. Thank you so much.